Look what we're up to today. So I wanted to go ahead and do a quick video to give you guys a closer look at the CTH or Cartrimhome aluminum skid plates. So there's actually different ways to go about installing this, but in our particular case, we're actually using C4 skids, and they actually hang a bit lower. So in order to align the C4 skids with the aluminum front skid, we actually had to use longer bolts. We ended up using 70mm bolts in the rear and 50mm bolts in the front. I also had to use spacers that I had laying around, but you can actually use a complete kit, and I'll go ahead and provide a link below that it comes with the bolts as well as the spacers. But if you want to go ahead and do some budget building, you can actually use a Home Depot bolts that I'll also link, plus maybe an old 1-inch socket for a spacer, and that'll be a budget option. And lastly, for you guys that are ordering this from Cartrimhome, it actually works fine the way it is if you decide to use your old stock rear skids. And you don't have to, and in that case, go ahead and remove the 2 brackets. But we didn't have to do it in our case.